everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the future, and no, not flying cars. We're talking about you, but in AI form. Exactly, imagine a version of you that works 24/7, never sleep, never complains, never eats your snacks, and still gets the job done. That's what we're building. We are autonomous AI agent CRM swarm orchestration layer 3. Sounds fancy, right? Yeah, it's basically means you launch your AI twin and it scales everything, your business, your community, your hassle without burning you out. And it isn't some garage project, guys. We're backed by Palo Alto AI Research Lab and Platinum VC, straight out of Silicon Valley. So we've got a global dream team, engineers from Google and Meta, Stanford University alumni, scientists, VC networkers, and people who actually understand memes. Yes, the memes department is crucial, and each co-founder has their superpower, like Manisha, our business development queen, Anton the builder, and Adrian the Stanford brainiac. So let's be real, guys. San Francisco is the center of crypto AI. And sadly, homelessness, it's also getting harder and harder for humans to find jobs. Companies are hiring agents, not people. So why? Agent thinks faster, work non-stop, and can replicate themselves. And no, they don't need coffee breaks. You've seen the billboards. Stop hiring humans. Autonomous taxis have already replaced drivers. That's a small problem. The big one, if you're human, you might be next. So here's the twist. Instead of competing with AI, you become the AI. You created a copy of yourself, your personal agent, to do the heavy lifting. It can run your Twitter, Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn, maybe even reply to your mother-in-law text. We call it H plus A equals charm. So human plus agent, and yes, it's built to sound and act like you, not a boring robot. Thanks to our collab with Eliza OS. Your AI twin isn't just a digital clone. It's a business asset. You can create it, rent it, or just sell it. Yes, you can literally rent yourself out without leaving your couch. Finally, passive income that doesn't involve shady dropshipping courses. We're building a massive community right now. The Silicon Valley VCs developers, scientists, regional hubs worldwide, and we've got a global partners from Asia, the United States, the United Kingdom. So no matter your time zone, your agent will still be working while you sleep. Our AAA token isn't just a coin to flex on Twitter. It's the fuel for the whole ecosystem, guys. You'll need it for developing agents running nodes, governance, even liquidity for partners. We've designed it bulletproof and stress tested for long-term growth. And yes, there will be a diamond hands airdrop, but only for those who can actually diamond hand it. Whether you are a builder, a B2B company, or a retail investors, we've got the tailored paths for you. Developers get open source frameworks, business get orchestration tools and API integration, investor get multiple monetization option or a smooth exit, guys. So, are you ready to meet your AI twin? Join our community, follow us on Twitter, YouTube, and Telegram. Links are in the description down below. And remember, if you can beat the AI, hire yourself as one.